It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy SN YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting Master Blaster Practice Series, a free special class series. Altogether 10,000 practice questions in computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering. On Unacademy ECAT YouTube channel, YouTube sessions, basic concepts on Friday, intermediate concepts on Saturday, advanced concepts on Sunday, knowledge fight on Monday, tests on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live combat. It is a weekly competition for gate. Access your gate preparation in 60 minutes. Challenging and original gate questions by best educators at Unacademy. Take it live to compete with the best. All India live leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next combat is on 27th June at 11 a.m. Rank 1 to 3, complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 4 to 10, 75% off. Rank 11 to 50, 50% off. Rank 51 to 100, 25% off. Price hike is coming in GATE and ESE category. Beat the price hike and subscribe now. Unacademy is announcing final batch alert. Evolve batch for 2022 GATE, Ascend batch for 2023 GATE in electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering and civil engineering. Enroll today. either for plus subscription or iconic subscription. In plus subscription, we have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, rank improved batches. On iconic subscription, we have personal coach, study planner, study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicating doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for plus subscription or iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Mathematical logic. Unacademy is a perfect study partner for gated ESE. Now, in the previous lecture, we have discussed 6 rules of inference. Now, seventh one. Disjunctive, syllogism. PRQ, negation P, therefore P, therefore Q. PRQ, negation P, therefore Q. So here, I like coffee or tea. Now I don't like coffee, therefore tea. Like that. Disjunctive syllogism proof. The tautological form is PRQ and negation P implies Q. Now, step 1, PRQ, that is given premise. Step 2, PRQ can be written as negation P implies Q, that is law of implication. Negation P is given. Therefore, by mod exponents on 2 and 3, by applying mod exponents, therefore Q. This is also known as rule of detachment. Mod exponents or rule of detachment. Based on that, the conclusion is Q. Next one, disjunctive elimination. Disjunctive elimination. P implies R, Q implies R, PRQ, therefore R. This is disjunctive elimination. Now, the tautological form is P implies R and Q implies R and PRQ and PRQ implies R. Observe the proof. P implies R, that is given premise. Q implies R, that is also given premise. P implies R and Q implies R, conjunction. Because P implies R, Q implies R, therefore P implies R and Q implies R, conjunction. Fourth one, P implies R and Q implies R can be written as PRQ implies R. Implication equivalents to now Fifth one, PRQ, that is given. Now, PRQ implies R, PRQ. Therefore, R by mod exponents on 4 and 5. Mod exponents on 4 and 5. Therefore, R. That is the conclusion. Next one, conditional proof. Conditional proof. P implies Q implies R. P and Q. Therefore, R. The tautological form is P implies Q implies R and P and Q implies R. Implies R. Proof. Step 1. P implies Q implies R. That is given. P and Q implies R. That is known as exportation law. P and Q. P and Q implies R, P and Q. This is given. By applying mod exponents on 2 and 3, the conclusion is R. Mod exponents on 2 and 3. Therefore, R. This is called conditional proof. If P, then R. If Q. Next one. Resolution. Resolution. PRQ, negation PRR, therefore QRR. The tautological form is PRQ and negation PRR implies QRR. Step 1. PRQ given. If PRQ, you can write QRP. That is called commutative law. Now, negation QRR. Negation QRR. So first you do one thing. QRP can be written as by implication. Negation Q implies P. Law of implication. Fourth one is negation PRR. That is given. Negation PRR can be written as P implies R by implication. Now, for 3 and 5, you apply transitive. Negation Q implies P, P implies R. Therefore, by applying rule of transitive, negation Q implies R. Transitive on 3 and 5. Now, negation Q implies R can be written as QRR by using law of implication. Law of implication. Therefore, the conclusion is QRR. Next one, constructive dilemma. Constructive dilemma. P implies Q, R implies S, PRR. Therefore, QRS. Therefore, QRS. Now, tautological form is P implies Q and R implies S and PRR implies QRS. Now, proof. First one. P implies Q given. P implies Q can be written as negation Q implies negation P. Contrapositive. Third one. PRR. PRR can be written as, by using law of implication, negation P implies R. Law of implication. This is given. Now, negation Q implies negation P. Negation P implies R. Now, fifth one. In the data, it is given that PRR. Okay, do one thing. Here we can apply transitive. Negation Q implies negation P. Negation P implies R. Therefore, negation Q implies R. Transitive. Transitive on 2 and 4. Now, sixth one. R implies S. That is also given here. Given. Now observe. Negation Q implies R. R implies S. Applying rule of transitive on 5 and 6, we will get negation Q implies S. Negation Q implies S. Transitive. On 5 and 6. Eighth one. Negation Q implies S is QRS by law of implication. QRS. Therefore, conclusion is QRS. Next one. Destructive dilemma. Destructive dilemma. Destructive dilemma. P implies Q, R implies S, negation Q, R, negation S. Therefore, negation P, R, negation R. That is destructive dilemma. The tautological form is P implies Q and R implies S and negation Q, R, negation S implies negation P, R, negation R. Now, step 1. P implies Q given. P implies Q can be, P implies Q is given. Negation Q implies negation S is also given. Now, negation Q, R, negation S. That is given. Now, Negation Q or negation S can be written as by law of implication. Q implies negation S. Implication, law of implication. Now, for 1 and 3, you can apply rule of transitivity. By applying transitivity, P implies Q, Q implies negation S. P implies negation S. Transitive on 1 and 3. Now, fifth one. R implies S. R implies S can be written as negation S implies negation R, contrapositive. This is given. This is contrapositive. Now, you can apply law of transitivity or hypothetical syllogism. P implies negation S, negation implies negation R. Therefore, seventh one, P implies negation R. P implies negation R. Next, eighth one, P implies negation R can be written as negation P R, negation R. This is transitive on 4 and 6. Negation P R, negation R by law of implication. So finally, conclusion is negation P R, negation R. Understood? Now, observe the problem. Which of the following, which of the following value P negation P R Q and R implies S and P R R implies negation S implies Q. Q. Negation P R Q and Q implies P implies R implies negation R. R. Q and R. Q and R implies P and negation Q R P implies R. P and P implies R and Q R negation R implies Q. Now we have to examine which one of the following are valid. Option A, P comma Q. Option B, P comma R. Option C, P and S. Option D, P Q R S. Now I am examining first one, P. P implies Q because negation P R Q is nothing but P implies Q. R implies S. P R R. Therefore, Q R S. It is nothing but constructive dilemma. Next, Q. Q. Q is negation P. Q is negation P and Q. I have written here R. This is and Q. Negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Q implies P implies R. Negation P and Q. P implies Q implies P implies R. That is given. Observe here. First, Q implies P implies R. Second one, Q implies P implies R. Here, from this conjunction, negation P and Q can be written as Q. From conjunction, you can write Q or you can write negation P. Both you can write. Now, negation P and Q gives us negation P as well as Q. Now, observe here. Negation P and Q. Q implies P implies R. Both the statements I have taken. Now, if you observe this statement, negation P and Q here, Q implies P implies R. Q implies P implies R. Observe from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3, you can write P implies R. From 1 and 3, you can write P implies R because Q implies P implies R and Q. By modest exponents on 1 and 3, P implies R. Observe 4 and 5, P implies R and negation P. Therefore, negation R. Modest tolerance. P implies R, negation P. That is also known as fallacy of denying antecedent. Fallacy of denying antecedent. Based on that, you can write negation R. Negation R. Conclusion is negation R. So this is clear. This is clear. We got negation S implies Q. We got QRS by constructive dilemma. We got QRS. They have given QRS means SRQ. QRS is nothing but SRQ. SRQ can be written as negation S implies Q. Negation S implies Q. Now, this is fallacy of denying antecedent. Fallacy of denying antecedent. That's why it is not valid. Next, third one. Yes, I am examining third one. Now, S is P and P implies R. P and P implies R. That is given. P and P implies R can be written as P implies R. From 2 and 3, you can write R by modest exponents on 2 and 3. Now, fifth one. P and P implies R and QR negation R. QR negation R can be written as negation R RQ. Negation R RQ can be written as R implies Q. Now apply R and R implies Q. Therefore, Q. Mod exponents on 4 and 6. Therefore, Q. So Q is correct, valid. So S is valid, P is valid. So P and S are valid. The conclusion is P and S are valid. Understood?
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy